everyone, it's Kayla here, and today's video is a tutorial for a foldable bedroom set. This video is going to be part of a larger series of tutorials on my channel, and at the end we will have made a finished LPS bedroom. So I hope you all enjoyed this video and the future videos a part of this series. So let's begin. The materials you're going to be needing are the base of your room. You can use cardboard or foam board like I'm using in this tutorial, or you even use wood if you want to. You can usually get some at Walmart or Dollar Tree. They have trifolds that should be big enough for one trifold room with the measurements that I have. Today's foam board I got at Walmart. I think it's less than $2, I think. So this is new for me. This is my first time using the foam board, so hopefully it turns out as well as using cardboard. Okay, the next material is tape. I recommend duct tape or painter's tape. If you're using duct tape, make sure you get the position right, otherwise once you put it down it's not going to come back up. That's why I also use painter's tape, because you can peel it off and reapply it. Or you can use office tape. Just make sure that it is at least 2 inches wide. Next one is acrylic paint. Now this is optional. This is just for decorating your room. I will be doing this in a different video than today's, because I will probably be using paper. My paper has not come in yet. So the decorating part's going to be in a different video. So if you're going to be using paper, then I recommend a liquid or stick glue to glue that down. If you're using liquid, remember to apply a thin layer. Or if you're using stick glue, then make sure to get the corners very well. And then, of course, assorted tools. So for this tutorial, it should just be scissors, a ruler, and a pencil. So let's get started. Well, thank you guys for sticking to the end of the video, and I hope you all enjoyed. And remember to look out for the other parts of this series. And by the end of it, we're going to have a finished, furnished, decorated LPS bedroom. And don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button, because you know every like helps me out. And I appreciate your guys' comments and feedback. So if you have any questions, remember to comment down below, and I will try my best to answer them all. So I hope you guys have a great day, and bye everyone.